Nice outfish. There it goes.
What's up? I'm Chris Donato, captain and owner, Grander Marlin Sport Fishing. I grew up fishing at a really young age on the east coast of the USA, and my love for fishing and my passion for the ocean got me traveling. And once the travel bug bit me, I was out. I spent all my 20s and early 30s surfing and marlin fishing in some of the most remote areas of the South Pacific, Samoa, Vanuatu, and the surrounding islands. It was an experience I'll never forget, filled with lots of big fish and epic waves. While living in Samoa running Salani Surf Resort, I met a lot of really great people from Kona. And I kept hearing all these stories about big blue marlin and flat calm seas, and all it did was set the wheels in motion. Eventually, I linked up with Joe Byram, and with his help, we moved my 37 merit benchmark to Kona, a long and frustrating process just in itself. But once here in Hawaii, I fell in love with the Big Island, and I feel very lucky to be here and to now be able to share this experience with you.
My name is Joe Byram, and I'm the crew on the benchmark here in Kona. I grew up in a little town called Sunbury in eastern North Carolina, and I got my love of fishing through my dad and granddad. They took me out to the Gulf Stream for the first time when I was about 10 years old, and I've been pretty much obsessed with it since. I read every magazine and book I could find on offshore fishing when I was a kid, and especially was drawn to billfish, and more specifically, big marlin. I remember seeing the guys coming in with these giant fish during the Big Rock Blue Marlin tournament, and I knew I had to go out there and catch these things. I'd ended up working on boats out of Morehead City and Wilmington, and then spent about 7 years working in the film industry after college. I got a chance to work on some great projects, including Iron Man 3, The Conjuring, Tammy, and Sleepy Hollow. But the itch to get offshore and back into fishing full-time would be too strong to ignore. So I decided to combine my love of fishing and photography by starting my business, Jables Photography. I met Chris Donato, and we started making plans to move his 37 Merit, the benchmark, over to the legendary marlin grounds of Kona, Hawaii. And in 2016, I moved out here to meet him. I've been based out of Kona ever since, but I've also been lucky enough to experience some amazing fishing in some of the other well-known spots around the world, including the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, Cabo San Lucas, and South Florida. But it's hard to beat the calm water and big fish potential right in our backyard here in Kona.
Lines in the water already. There he came up on you again. Keep it right there. There he is. Yeah. Couple cranks. There he is. Oh shit! Just keep teasing it in. That's a nice fish. Oh, he just missed a really nice fish. Trying to do a circle here, see if I can get another shot out of him. But that was a nice one. About wrapping up our day here. Unfortunately, not a whole lot to report today. You know, we raised that one really nice one, but just kind of had some bad luck. Joe was down there on the rod teasing that thing. He had a good look at it. Yeah, looked like a solid fish. Came up on that Tantrum XXL Kaboom, but yeah, just wouldn't stay on. But yeah, guys, so we're going to maybe get a little redemption. And there are some big fish around, so we'll
see if we can get them tomorrow.
Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Out here again today with the same group we lost that big fish with, yeah, we're heading down south right now. Probably gonna camp out there for the day and really kind of mow the lawn in that area and work it through the tide change, see if we can get us a nice fish there. On the benchmark, we have a little thing when the fishing's slow and we really need to get a bite. We got an old Halloween costume. It's a pickle. And Byram over there, he puts this thing on and shotguns a beer, and I swear it works. I don't know how, I don't know why, but it does. So here we go.
The dangling camera that hang from the rear view. Your dreams in the past ain't nowhere near you. Backseat drivers got nothing but 2 cents. Shotgun riders too biased, they all liars. I should get an A for effort, I'm too tired. But I'm never giving up, that's why I'm kinda admired. Role model, like it or not, I gotta play it. Sugarcoat the rhyme sometimes, but still say it. Said I was quitting at 40 is just a fib. I'm still a kid that's wiping the food off of my bib.
Alright, we got one we just raised up here. We're just... I don't see him. Hold on, I'll get up in the car real quick. Yeah, he's got a long corner. Right short. Right short? Yeah. See him? Yep.
I'm champ. You the champ.
Hey, you're only 18 minutes in.
Yeah.
I don't know what
We got mono on the reel at least.
We've got quite a bit of mono going. We got like 2 layers now.
We're gaining.
Your fire is burning. Your fire is burning.
We're on a real one right now. We are on a nice fish right now. Sick bite. Came up on our big bait right on the short corner. Came back, started swimming in a spread. And came up, checked out the long corner for a while. We're watching. Crazy inside out bite. One of the best bites I've seen in a while.
The children of Jah don't fear for tribulation.
Like a man. Now you're a man. Man.
It's okay, let him fight against the drag. Let him fight against it. It's gonna tire him out and he's gonna, the angle will change.
is that 780, 800?
Yeah!
Nice job. That was a total pump finish. We got the hook out. Swim away.
Yeah!
Nice job, Funky.
Yeah!
That was redemption right there, boys. Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Blue breakfast, black Bart, spun it around backwards.
You know, 2 claps and a Ric Flair.
Awesome day, so 1 for 2, caught an 800, lost a 500. We'll be back at the dock here, drinking beers and hanging out very shortly. Kona wine, that's all I can say. Place rad.
Burning on me, your fire is burning. Your fire is burning. Your fire is burning on. 'Cause the children of Jah don't fear for tribulation. We have the light that never ends.